Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Google Workspace Marketplace Payouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Google Workspace Marketplace Payouts, begin by signing in to your Google Partner account. Navigate to the Payments section on the left-hand menu. Here, you will find an overview of your earnings and payout preferences. Click on Payout Settings to manage your withdrawal preferences. Enter your banking details if you have not done so already. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid any delays. Next, confirm the payout threshold, which is the minimum amount you need to reach for a withdrawal. Once you reach the threshold, you will see an option to request a payout. Click on Request Payout and review the payout details displayed. If everything looks correct, confirm the payout request. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your payout. Typically, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep track of your email for any updates from Google regarding your payout. If you encounter any issues, visit the Google Partner Support page for assistance. Make sure to regularly check your earnings to stay informed about your payouts. That's it. You are now equipped to withdraw from Google Workspace Marketplace Payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.